Think about your shirt. Now think about your closet. Now think about all the clothes you've ever worn. Multiply that by all the humans on the planet. That's a lot of clothes. A lot of oil to make synthetics like polyester and nylon. A lot of pesticides, fertilizer, and water used to make cotton. To try to fix this, many companies have raised and spent hundreds of millions of dollars to create new sustainable materials. But these are just too expensive for clothing brands to make a positive impact. This is because they rely on unproven feedstocks, new infrastructure and manufacturing methods, or some combination thereof. At Sci-Lume Labs, we make Bylon, a truly scalable, circular apparel fiber. Our Bylon yarns, which we make from abundant agricultural waste, combine the best properties we expect from synthetic and natural fibers. From feedstock to yarn, Bylon is made using highly efficient chemistries in existing industrial reactors, separations, and manufacturing equipment, the exact same used for polyester and nylon today. This makes Bylon production scalable and cheap. Bylon yarns are tunable, versatile, and strong, just like legacy synthetics, and they have the comfort and moisture properties of natural fibers. Critically, Bylon can thread into industry-standard downstream infrastructure for knitting, dyeing, finishing, cutting, and sewing processes, so any designer, any manufacturer can adopt Bylon effortlessly. The industry expects recyclability, which we are, but we'll do you one better. Bylon can be placed right back into the earth and degrade, just as nature intended. Sustainability in fashion no longer has to come at such a high price. With Bylon, neither we nor the planet have to compromise. Everyone can choose what sustainable style looks like to them.